Yo guys, this is the first trade I took on the account. I took this trade. As you can see, it took me out by nothing. I went on to do TP and I took another sell around here which stopped us out. Now I'm taking the last sell from here, guys, which is not looking all good. Taking this last sell from here, it's not looking good, but let's just see how the market plays out. This is my last trade for today. Today is Tuesday, so hopefully this one respects our area. If not, we'll just leave the market. So guys, trading has not been the best since we started. Took 3 losses today. The buy that we were supposed to get literally stopped us by nothing, guys. One more. So yeah, on the 50k account, I think we lost like 1.5%. Right. On the 10k account, I don't even know how much we're down yet. Sorry, my eyes red. I just woke up. So it's kind of annoying. Very, very annoying. Tomorrow we'll look for another trade. We need to avoid the news though. Tomorrow's CPI, so we'll avoid the news. Yeah. These are the 3 trades I took today. Normally I take only 3 trades. Only 2 trades, but today I took 3 trades. Because it's the first trade I'm taking on the account, but yeah. So this one stopped me out by nothing. Literally nothing. I went to the upside. Right, so I tried taking a sell from here. It reversed a bit, but broke through. I also tried taking a sell from up here too. That one obliterated me. So the price action is kind of weird recently, but yeah, we're still chilling. This is just the beginning of the week. Today is Tuesday, so we're still chilling. Even though we took 3 losses today, you guys know that we can make that back in just one trade and even with profit. So I'm not even I'm not panicking or anything. It's just part of it. Okay guys, so we're in the mood today. We're trading gold again, but I'm not in this trade. I just set the parameters there to see if it's going to follow. Right, my actual point of interest is down here. But also I won't just enter because today is CPI and I'm thinking what price is gonna do after CPI is sweep this low, because there's an Asian low below this low. Most likely sweep this low, then go back to the upside and create entry confirmation for us. But also what price can do is it can just use this place to go to the upside. Those are the 2 things I think price can do. But I'm not in this trade right now because this is not really a high probability on my end. So that's why. But this looks good. This looks very good. Looks like a good trade. Guys, I don't know if I should have doubted the possibilities of this trade, but I'm not on the trade right now, but it seems to be going fine. Regardless, there's still CPI news around 130, so I don't know what's going to happen next, but this trade seems to be going fine. I don't know if I had trade paralysis. I don't know. Your psychology sometimes is not easy to figure out what is really happening. But I saw the setup and I was like, I would take it, but at the same time I didn't want to take it because there was news. There's a lot of liquidity at the bottom also, so I don't know, man. But it's looking good. Guys, literally a few seconds after I videoed that last clip, see what happened. Literally few seconds after I videoed the last slide, my gut wrench feeling, guys, is crazy. But the thing is, I already knew that there's a bunch of liquidity below this place. There's like major liquidity down here. There's a lot of liquidity, so that's why it was not a plus setup for me, and I didn't want to risk taking that trade. Oh guys, just few seconds. It's crazy. I think it's either gonna tap here or it's gonna sweep this place. There's liquidity and there's also a valid order block down there. So yeah guys. So if I had entered this trade, it would have been an SL trade. Thank God we didn't enter. CPI is coming soon. Let's see what CPI will do. Yo guys, see here. That's why sometimes if you're not even going to take the trade, just put it on. So you guys see that this trade it kind of stopped out and just like moving. So recently I figured that it seems like this is what is happening to our specific type of traders, the traders that we prioritize risk to reward tickets. So Now this is like the second time it's happening in this week, though I didn't take this trade, which is very okay, but now I've learned a lesson from this, and I know the current market condition, what it's doing to people like us, so we'll know how to attack this. So I already know how to face this. This might still be happening sometimes, but like hopefully a lot less than before, because you guys saw the last trade too. The last one took us out and went in our direction, went for like 1 to 8, 1 to 9 7. But yeah, yo guys, I want us to catch CPI live, right? So what happened is, you see that this entry tapped me out and kept on moving my direction. So I want to see what CPI is going to do. My prediction is price is going to come back and sweep here. That's what I think. But these news are not all that predictable. But I think price is going to come back and take back all this liquidity before moving to the upside. It's just like a small move, and that's probably an inducement. The CPI just hit. CPI just hit. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh, as you guys have seen that I marked this thing like this, right? The way I marked this is that, wait, if it breaks this high, right, I'll look for another entry around this place to take a buy. But from the looks of it might just be sweeping it. But CPI just hit and it looks like it's going up either ways. But it might just be sweeping this thing to go to the downside and come to the upside. I don't know. Yet, I never advise people to trade the news because the news is very uncertain. Even if it goes your direction at first, you would think that it's going in your direction, but it might just be going to sweep a liquidity to move to the next side. So news is not always advisable on my end. But yeah, if this eye gets broken, see the way I marked this, if it gets broken, then I'll look for an entry around here to take it to the upside. I have a target at the top there. So yeah, that's CPI for you guys. On the Quantakel account, you cannot trade news, but you can hold news, right? And even if you eat your TP while the news was happening, as long as you don't modify, as you don't change things, you'll be fine. As long as like the parameters that you put before the news that are still getting hit, it doesn't matter. So guys, it just shows that the analysis is right, but sometimes markets, you see how markets just whine you. But thank God we're not in this trade yet, but I'm about to enter a trade. I just want the 15 minutes candle to close, so I'll just take an entry off of either a breaker block or other block. Let's just see. So also on the other time frame, I have an entry. Let's not forget, I have a sell entry I'm waiting for here. So even if I don't get the buy entry that I'm trying to use to target this place, I'll get that sell. I'll try to get the sell. So yeah, that's basically the plan. So the way it's looking, it might not give the buy entry, but we'll be able to catch the sales. Yeah. So guys, just back the loss here around here. So it looks to me like price is now reversing back to come back to this entry. So this entry I was supposed to just enter it like at once, but right now I'm thinking instead of entering at once, I'll just wait for price to give me an entry confirmation from here. But we back the loss here. It will be very painful if this thing reverses again, guys. It will be very painful if this thing reverses. Let's just keep coming down like that. It's with that loss on the live account we're down 3%, and on the new account, the 50k account, we're down 2%. I mean, the market has not been nice at all. It's just weakening us out. And I know a lot of you guys will say increase your stop loss, increase your stop loss. Me increasing my stop loss is me breaking my trading plan. If you guys don't know, my stop loss is at the place it's supposed to be. You get. Sometimes I try to shift it down more. You get. But if I try to do it more than that, it destroys my entire risk to reward. It destroys the win rate of the strategy. It destroys a lot of things, and you guys don't know about that. So I know the reason why I'm leaving my stop losses there, and price has been coming to take my stop losses. Looking like I don't know where to place my stop loss, but that's where I'm supposed to place my stop loss, guys. And it's quite frustrating, but at the same time I still have to keep doing that. But I'm also trying to, I don't put my stop losses at the places where I think price wants to go to, I'll just try to shift it down a little bit, but not too obviously that I'm having like this big stop loss. My strategy doesn't work like that. It kills the win rate, it kills a lot of things. So it's better as I'm taking these losses now, so that when I get my win, covers up. You get. So that's just the thing. You get into backtest so that you know that okay, this is the way my strategy works. Yeah. Some people don't have high win rates, but the one win they get covers for all their losses. So my strategy is somewhat like that. Guys, judging by the way this is looking, first of all, it stopped me out on my 50k. My 10k account was running. Then it came back again and stopped me out on my 10k, and now it has started pushing into profit. A lot of you guys are going to try to cook me in the comments that my stop losses are small, but I know why only me know why my stop losses are there. Yeah, only me. It's somewhat better to take these losses than to widen my stop loss and kill my win rate. Yeah. So that's just the thing. So that's just the thing. For my backtesting, I know that okay, my stop loss being this size, and it's actually the right size. It's actually the right size, just that market just finding a way to hunt my stop loss right now, which is a normal thing for everybody. Sometimes your stop loss can be even very wide and it will still hunt your stop loss by a pip. So these are things that happen. So at the end of the day, this is where we at. Market already moved 1-to-1 and has already stopped us out. See here too, he stopped us out and went for a 1-to-7. Have you? Yeah, 1-to-7, and also here. This which is a 1-to-6. So I don't know if it's gonna push to the upside totally, but I already have a sell entry here. But my call is that mostly what was going to happen is it's gonna come down here. That's what I feel, and if it doesn't, then we'll take the sell. Guys, see the trade. It's like a joke. Honestly, it's funny. It's funny to me because like the actual fault, man. Well, I don't know, man. I sell is up here, sure. This is bullshit right here. This too, bullshit. I didn't enter this one, I would have gotten stopped out, gone for 1-to-7. Enter this one, so I entered this one now, got stopped out, and I was going for this. It's fucking crazy, man. So guys, I just found this sell entry on GJ and I just took it. Not looking good, but yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, I just took another loss on GJ. I swear, I really need a win right now. Like, I need a win. At this point, I need a win. It's crazy. It's getting crazier by the day. So guys, before I took this breaker block entry down here, I had this other block entry up here, and now seems to be respecting it. I was too late because it's a 2 account. I could not enter this one. I could not enter it. I might just quit it for today, guys. I swear. Let me just end it there. I don't know if I'm gonna enter if it comes well, but the vibe is already out there. There's nothing is really showing like that. But I think this entry there is very good. But I'm still contemplating to take it, but it looks good. I just chop SL too on this one. Well, this one is a well-deserved SL because I feel like it was an emotional entry. It was an emotional trade. So this one I deserve this SL. Yeah, guys. Again with the SL sweep, guys. Again on GJ this time with the SL sweep. Crazy. So guys, I can't remember if I explained this in the video, but I think I said it that this place, I wanted it to sweep this place because all this place were liquidity, right? And now price has swept and has started going up, guys. I really messed up today, man. I really did mess up today. Now I have to start looking for another buy entry. I know where this price is going to, yeah, but just wait to enter. That's the issue. If I enter sometimes it will just stop me. I know where it's going to. I know the liquidities that I want to sweep. This place is still a liquidity, right? But I know the places it's going to. The only issue I'm having right now is where do we enter and we don't get stopped out. That's the only issue. Well, it's looking a lot cleaner now. I might use a breaker block to enter. I don't know yet, but let's see. Guys, I don't know what's happening, but I tried to enter this on my Quantakill account. It didn't tap me in. It kind of dismissed it. I don't know how it did, but it just dismissed it. It didn't allow me to enter. And this one is already moving profit. I mean, I would have been fine if my equity edge tapped me in. But this chart and my equity edge, the numbers are not the same. So which means my entry on the equity edge is still down like this. It's still below here. Wow, I've already gotten tapped in here. The markets, everything is just frustrating me. And also today my Instagram got banned. I don't know why. It just got banned. So if you guys are following that Instagram, like, you guys should stop following it. That got banned. I tried verifying it. It did not allow me to verify it. Oh god, this is very frustrating. Today is a very frustrating day. I'm not even gonna lie. So guys, this trade, I took it on gold. It's a sell trade. Hopefully this helps us. This is a 1 to 9. This helps us recover. This trade pained me. This trade I was supposed to take from here pained me like mad. I was supposed to take this buy from here to the upside. I took these 2 losses. So because I took 3 losses today, right? Normally my initial trades per day is supposed to be 2, so I didn't want to break my plan, so I didn't take this. And this one went accordingly to the place I was going to enter to sell. So this place now, I'm going to use it to sell, to catch all this liquidity, this trend line liquidity here, to sell to the downside to catch this. It's moving fine though, but hopefully it hits the P, at least hits break even, so we can be risk free. So yeah, guys, as you can see, the GJ trade that I took later went on to do numbers, so almost at TP, but it's kind of stopped us out here. So if you guys notice, you discover that it's not about SL. Yeah, so if you widen the SL safe, you still get stopped out. So these things happen in the market. Well, in case I've not made an update, Google just stopped me out again. So man, it's rough times in the market. Yeah, I'm not happy, but like at the same time I'm not panicking because I know my strategy again. So like, I'm not panicking, I'm just here, just looking for how to get the best entries. There are some entries I should have gotten, like the one I missed here, right? This one, if I had entered it, I would have gotten stopped out. But if I do a re-entry, I would have gotten a 1 to, not this one safe. Yeah, it's this one. I would have gotten like a 1 to 7 on that, but those ones, and this one is the actual trade that I was supposed to enter. Yo guys, it's in the midnight, and I was reminiscing, right? I was thinking that why am I taking so much losses? And it just occurred to me, right? So why I even passed my account the last time in the first place was because I restricted myself from taking too much trades, right? So I restricted myself from taking too much trades. I take only 2 trades per day, and recently I discovered that I've been taking 3 trades every single time. These things happens to the best of us because we forget the reasons why we put those rules down. You get? So when you forget the reasons why you put those rules down, it doesn't make sense to follow those rules anymore. So I think that's one thing that just struck me while I was just thinking. It's 4 a.m. this night, like this morning. It's already 4 a.m. on Thursday, and I was just thinking that why am I taking so much losses? So my mind now has adjusted to an abundance mentality where I'm thinking that okay, I have enough trades, which is not supposed to be. I'm supposed to be thinking in a rational way, such that every trade I take counts. Yeah, so I shouldn't be taking any trade, anyhow trade. I shouldn't just be looking. I should make sure I take the best trade, the best setups. And yeah, I've been taking rubbish all this time,
right? The best setups that I'm supposed to take, when they happen, I've already exhausted all my trades for the day, which doesn't make sense. So yeah, I should not have the abundance mindset when it comes to placing my trades. I should be rationing my trades. In fact, sometimes if I can only take one trade a day, itself is better. So I should have that rational mentality, and that's one thing that will really help you in the long run. So whenever you place your rules, try to make sure that you don't forget why you place them, because if you forget why you place them, it would not make sense for you to follow them in the first place. Yes. So as humans, we're very forgetful beings. I can't notice that this night I was like, why am I taking so much losses? It just seems to be that I'm taking nonsense setups. And the actual setups that I was thinking of, I will not take them at the end of the day because I've exhausted all my trades taking rubbish. So yeah, it just came to me. So today now, I think we have one loss and I have one more trade. So that one more trade, we need to lock in on that trade. So yeah, guys. Yo guys, I just took this 1 to 3 on GJ, right? It says a 1 to 3 is not like my regular trade, but this is a value trade, so that's why I said let me take it. Hopefully we hit CP, and the main trade is a sell on GJ. So we'll buy on up to that sell, then we'll sell from there.
So the trade just hit SL. I don't know if we're going to have one more trade today because there's this one up here which looks valid, but I don't know guys. We're really down bad on the accounts. We're down bad. We need a comeback. So guys, it's break even on this trade. It is a 1 to 3. So actually the trade stopped me out. I re-entered because I know this was going to happen. So I re-entered and now it break even. So I'm going to break even our trades now.
You guys, I kind of messed up on this trade. This trade went and almost hit our TP around here, and news happened. 130 came and stopped us out at break even. I put another entry here in case, but this trade is very painful. I wanted to close before the news actually, but it escaped my mind. I was doing something and I didn't. It was around that 130 registered to me that but I could not do anything. I can't break the rules, because the thing is, if you start manipulating the trades, shifting to break even, stopping your trade and stuff, they'll count it for you. But if you don't manipulate it, you listen. So I'm looking at this entry to buy to the upside. I'm still looking to sell from here too. Price hasn't gotten there yet, but I'm looking to buy this, then sell from there. Hopefully, let's see. Hopefully this plays out well. So guys, I'm in this trade right now. As you guys know, the first one stopped us out. This one stopped us out. So I entered again off of this place. So we're looking to take it to the upside. This one, the risk reward is more higher. This is like a 1 to 5. This one was a 1 to 3. This is a 1 to 5. So let's see. Break even at this side. So let's see if we get this trade. Market has really been against us for a while, but let's see, guys. Yo guys, we're about to hit TP with the first TP. Oh god, I don't know. This is gonna be the best TP on the account, guy. We've been eating sand since, guy. We've been eating sand since. This thing hits TP now, beg. So if this hits this is going to be like the first TP that we've taken on the account. We've been taking serious losses back to back. We have the sell limit at that side for a major sell to the downside. So guys, TP smashed on that trade. TP smashed, guy. Finally, we hit TP. TP will be like myth. The man, the myth, the legend. TP. You sure say this thing exists again? Are you sure? Come on. That minus like five losing trades for us. So I'll check how much we're down, but we are in this trade already. This sell trade. This is a major sell. In this trade already. So let's see. Yeah guys, so on the 50k account we're down 2%, and on the live funded account, the 10k account, we're down 2.5%. As at the beginning of today, when we took that loss, we were down 5%. I mean, I'll have it, bro. I'll have it, guys. So we're down 5%. So now we're down 2.5%. Because of that 1 to 5, and on the 50k account, we're just down 2%. So we should be out of drawdown in no time, guys. I told you guys, let's lock in on our next trades. By locking on this next trades, we're going to kill the market. I've been taking nonsense since it just came to me, just like I was just reminiscing. I just came to me that, what are you doing? Yeah, so we're on this trade. We're gonna hold this trade. Let's see where this trade takes us. If this trade hits SL, we'll wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. So yeah, guys. So guys, the sell trade is already printing. This is a long-term trade, so that's why you see the SL is all the way down here. It's a 1 to 7. Along the way, if I see another entry, I'll take it to sell. It's a very long trade. Guys, we locked in, guys. We fucking locked in. Guys. We've been doing nonsense all these days. Let's get back to our reading. Type shit. Let's go. We're almost almost at break even, but we're already pushing to the downside. Might find another entry, I don't know yet, but the time I like looking for another entry is when I've gotten to break even. So once I hit break even, I like, because I'm not risking anything again, I like to put some little risk on the ground again, so to enter another trade. But I know for a fact that price is coming here. So yeah, guys, so I took another trade. I'm on this trade and I'm on this trade. So I took these 2 trades and 2 of them are already moving in profit. So yeah, let's watch out. So guys, these trades, as you're looking at them, I'm on this one. So this is 1 to 6, this is 1 to 7. If this hits TP, I think I'll just need only 1% to pass the 50k account. If this hits TP, you get, and I'll be expecting like a $400 payout on the equity edge. That's from drawdown. So guys, you guys know the way we trade here. No matter the losses, we always come back most of the time. So yeah, let's get it, guys. So just to show you guys that I'm truly on the trade, and also the 50k account is on MT5. So the reason why I can't show you guys right now is because it's on the phone I'm using to record, and that's why I want to get on that phone so that I can be showing you guys like this, something like this. So you guys see the 2 trades are running. One is in 100 and something, one is in 60 something, giving a total of 180. This is where the account was before. After the win we had today, we were like down like 5% or more than 5%, but now we're at 9744. So we're almost at break even. Once the trade moves very well, see where the trade is, we're almost at break even. So once it moves very well, you guys should imagine where we're going to be here. So yeah, guys. So guys, we might be cooked, right? I mean, it's not setting yet, but that first trade, this second trade might be cooked for real, bro. Because price has been reversing from here. It's crazy. So price has been reversing from here back into entry. I mean, the stop loss is wide, but like, guy, that reversal is like crazy. It's too much, man. It's too much. And whenever price takes this much reversal, it's not always good. Especially to the fact that it's almost at the ending of the day. Get the new candle is gonna form. I don't like new candles forming around my entry. It's not always good. And it's pushing like seriously to the top. Like, it's not leaving any gap. It's not like retracing. It's not leaving gap. You know, when you know that push, when price is just pushing and like it's just buyers. There's no sellers. It's just buyers. You can see that the line is clean. There's no like weak. It's not like going up and down. It's just going. Come on, man. It's gonna be sad if we hit this SL, but regardless, we'll look for another entry. We'll look for another trade tomorrow. If this hits SL, though this one is still here, it's still in profit, but I don't know if it's still gonna rally up to this side, guys. Well, initially this trade is supposed to calm down, man. So guys, we got stopped out on the second trade. You guys can see it was a sniper entry from here. Wherever this is, I don't know. Wherever this is, but on the higher time frame, it was supposed to be just sales. On the higher time frame, I don't know where these buys are coming from, but it's fine. This other trade is still running. So yeah, GG needs mental check for real. This thing came to stop me out now. Now it's moving, but I re-entered. I know you guys are tired of seeing me re-enter, but the thing is, that's the way market is moving right now. I don't understand why, but it's like making me re-enter my trades. I don't like it too, but for some reason it's just hunting my stops and making me re-enter, and I think that's like the only way I can keep up. But for the contact, I can't enter again because the same market is closed, but I already entered for the equity edge account. So I don't know, it's kind of very annoying. Market is about to close in like some minutes. So guys, we have a problem, guys. Can you guys see this spread? Can you guys see this aftermarket spread, guys? Fuck, man. Damn, I've forgotten this is GG. I've forgotten. Like I'm on the 1 hour, guys. Look at this. I'm on the 1 hour. See that spread? Jesus Christ. Guys, see that spread? This way the market is supposed to be down there. Guys, see that spread? Hey, let me screenshot this and send this to the to the equity edge. This thing, nah, this is insane. This is just insane. I can't believe this. I just closed all my trades on this thing. They've closed everything with their massive spread on GG. Guys, see the spread. For God's sake, let me go to the 4 hours so you guys can understand what I'm saying. See this. Nah, I learned my lesson before, but I forgot that this is GJ. If it was good, I'll be fine, but this is GJ, bro. So guys, I totally forgot that I shouldn't be letting my GJ trade run through the night. So this one has hit SL, even though it didn't hit SL here. I've forgotten that I can't be holding the GJ. I've forgotten, and here's the result. Might not even trade GJ again. I've said this in the last thing. I said I was not going to trade GJ again, but I was back on GJ. I was like, yeah, it's fine. But bro, on my distant account, it slipped me for 400. I was risking 250. It thing slipped me for 400. Just that trade slipped me for 400. Crazy. So guys, see my GJ trade. I told you guys that this trade is going to reach this place. I told you. So let's say this trade didn't work out. Let's say this didn't work out, right? Look at this. This trade has slipped me out. This trade slipped me out. It didn't touch stop loss. It slipped me out. I would have been up on this trade. But when this was this big, when the freaking spread was this big, why won't it slip me out? Fucking annoying. But yeah, that was a good analysis. This was a good trade for me. I'll take this any day, anytime. So you guys see, I'm not going to trade the GJ. This is my strategy works on GJ. In fact, it works very good on GJ. The only issue I'm having right now is the fact that I can't trade it on prop firms. I can only trade it like during the days, but because my trading system requires me to like hold sometimes, like you guys see the way I was waiting for this trade, I held it for hours, for like long period of time. So my system doesn't tell me that okay, in 2 hours you'll be out. Sometimes days I'm still holding trades, and I'm not a swing trader. But the thing is, I don't know. So the reason I won't be trading GJ again because of this issue. It's quite annoying. The last time, to what I used was I only used BTC and Gold to pass my account because GJ was doing this bullshit. This is supposed to be a win. As you guys can see, this is a 1 to 7. This is a 1 to 7. I should be up on the account. But it's GG's. Guys, I wanted to scalp gold fast like here, but it didn't tap me. here's my target. If it hits this target without coming back and tapping me in, then I'll remove the order. Guys, yesterday we made profits, but we lost all the profit because we were slipped out on that last trade. We were slipped out serious amounts because the spread was this big. The spread was very big. So we've learned our lessons. We'll not do that again. We'll not trade GJ again, especially in the night. And if I know that it's gonna take long or it's gonna stay till night, then I'm not gonna take it. But this trade is already leaving us behind, by the way. It's kind of messed up. But if it has not swept this is a liquidity point on the higher time frame. So if it has not swept this liquidity, I'm not removing the order until it clears this. Then I'll remove this.
Yo guys, so if you guys check, well, you discovered that this trade that I removed yesterday, I said if it crosses here, I'm going to remove the trade. If you extend it, discover that trade later came and tapped us in. See where it is now. So it later came and tapped us in, but I'm not, according to my strategy or my plan, I'm not supposed to be in it because it has already swept that liquidity. So yeah, but it's a valid trade. But yeah, yo guys, I just took this trade on USD card. So 1 to 7. Let's see how it goes.
So guys, this position went up for a while. You see, it kind of went up for a while, but I was reversing. I think we're pretty much cooked on this position with the way the thing is going. Most likely we're going to hit a sell, but that was because when I saw gold buying, I was like, they're probably going to hit a sell because gold is buying. And as you guys see, the place that I marked before was where I was supposed to take a trade this morning, a buy trade. I was supposed to take a trade, but I had to remove it because I was sleeping and I didn't want it to tap me when there's news, so I don't break any rules. So yeah guys, it's kind of cooked. Hopefully, I don't know if this is gonna reverse, or it's not likely that it's gonna reverse. It's already heading for this, so it's not likely at all. So I'm not gonna be buying this again. I don't think USD card is ready to buy yet. I don't think so, but yeah. So guys, this trade just hits SL after rolling for a while in my SL area. So yeah, as today is Friday, so and it's already like 3 p.m. So I don't know if I should take any other trade. I'll still try to look for some setup, but I doubt if I'll see any trade today.
Guys, it's crazy. It's been a crazy week, guys. We've been in drawdown for a while now. This week we've been in drawdown about almost 4% in drawdown on the 50k and about 5% in drawdown on the 10k, which is kind of wild, right? Just goes to show that trading is kind of a crazy career to choose. And why am I saying this? Because initially we should be in profit. If I was trading a live account, it was not a prop firm, I would be in 2% profit. And why did I say so? On the GJ trade, we did 1 to 7, which should have brought us up to like 2% in profit, right? And for some reason, the spread became this big on the GJ trade. The spread became this wide on the GJ trade. And when price like reversed a bit, I'll show you guys. You guys would have seen it in the video where the spread was like this, and I was like, guy, what's this? Like, the thing really pained me. That GJ trade would have really gotten us out of that drawdown. But regardless, we move again for next week. It's a very different game. Real account, profit, very different game. A lot of you guys have been telling me in the comment section, Acct is not good. This thing. I mean, I actually got some advice before I got the Acct, you get, and I know about their rules. I know how strict they are with their rules. It's fine. The thing is, if you are profitable, this trading days, this
consistency rule that they usually have shouldn't be your problem. You get? I'm not trying to make money like fast and blow the account. I'm planning on keeping this account for a very, very long time and get a live account out of it and keep it for a very long time. So I'm going to continue trading. So the consistency, this thing doesn't even make sense to me. You get? Because regardless of that 4 days consistency that they're looking for, I'm still going to be trading the account. You get? A lot of people will say that the consistency rule 4 days. After 4 days, if you don't trade in 4 days, if you don't trade between 4 days, that they'll not pay you. I mean, at the end of the day, you're still going to be with the account for a very long time. So what does 4 days have to do with the amount of unlimited days that you're going to be with that account regardless? So if you are scared of those kind of rules, like I don't think you are that confident in your strategy, or you are confident in your trading. You just think that maybe it's a fluke. Maybe you are passing by fluke, you are passing by luck, which shouldn't be the mindset that you should have. So yeah, so guys, it's crazy. It's been a crazy week. We're down bad, or we've been in worse situations and come out of those situations. So it's kind of it's like a two-edged sword if you think about it. But at the same time, let's just be confident. I'm now in the frequency. When at the beginning of the week, I was not in the frequency at all. Like, it's been a while I traded. I was waiting, and I didn't trade. I didn't place any trade. I didn't place one trade like this. So getting back into the rhythm of trading, that's why it's good to always trade, even when you're not, you don't have an account. At least get a demo and be trading. You get? It's like a muscle, It's just like going to the gym and stopping for a while. You discover that all your muscles that were showing before are not really showing again. You get? It's like muscle. You need to keep on trading till it sticks, and every single part of what is making you profitable sticks. You get? Because like play, all these things that made me profitable, I was grabbing them piece by piece, and if I lose one piece, I become unprofitable again. If I lose one piece, I become unprofitable. That's why I've discovered if I lose one piece. So every single time I come to the chart, I always have to come with every single piece that made me profitable. If I lose one piece, I'm not profitable. So it's very hard. So I need to train myself for a very long time to be able to automatically be that person that withholds all those pieces that are not missing again. Like, you get? So experience makes you grab all those pieces, and when you now, it's just like the infinity gauntlet. When you have everything, then you become unstoppable. But if you lose one, you become unprofitable again. So it's kind of crazy. That was what happened to me at the beginning of this week, and that's why we are in drawdown. But next week, I know that we're going to do better. I'm going to keep backtesting this weekend, and we'll do better. So guys, if you've not subscribed, 90% of people watching these videos have not subscribed. You guys should subscribe, leave a like, comment. I reply every single comment, and I make sure that I answer your questions, or I reply you. So yeah, do well to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, guys.